Hi dear friend, this is a magnetic snapper button. We have a two size. Look at this one is 18 mm and this one is 14 mm. And now let's see the details. So first we can see this one is thinner than this one because this one inside just has one piece non-magnetic and this one has two pieces magnetic. And for the fitting model, we have a two model also. Look at this one is a double fit, or we say two claws. And this one is the pin, or some customer call is the screw. So which model do you like and which size do you want? You can send email to us. Look at, I put them far away each other. Otherwise they will catch each other very quickly. See? Very strong magnetic. Thank you for your interest.